Welcome to the Library of Video Support for using the Jones and Bartlett Learning Cloud Labs. In this video, we will cover the lab tutorial. The user interface you see here is used in all of the Jones and Bartlett Learning Cloud Labs. Let's get started. What you see here is the launch portal for the lab. In the upper right-hand corner is your user ID. If you click on that, you will find yourself with the tutorial. Click on that, and a tutorial will launch. The tutorial will cover various things as how to launch a lab, the user interface, taking screenshots and answering questions for your lab report, downloading the lab report, and working with a state save to allow you to close the lab and pick up where you left off. We strongly urge you to spend some time with the tutorial before you begin. It is time well spent and will enhance your learning experience. In addition to the tutorial, you can click on your name and run the system checker. We automatically run the system checker the very first time you run your lab. The system checker will interrogate your system and make sure that your browser is up to date and that you have sufficient network connection. We do recommend that you run that system checker when you change geographies, such as going home or visiting friends and family. This will make sure that you have enough bandwidth to run the labs properly. Thanks for viewing this video. Other training videos are available in our library. Please feel free to browse the collection for other materials. Have a great day.